Welcome to IELTS Symphony. Today, we're uncovering the secrets to mastering MCQ questions in the IELTS listening test. Many students struggle with this question type, but with the right approach, you can boost your accuracy and confidence. We have 5 questions here from the Cambridge IELTS 19. The key here is smart preparation before the audio begins. First, you have to read the question carefully and make sure you fully understand it. During the visit to Malat, in France, members especially enjoyed. So, the visit takes place in France, specifically in Malat, and among the visitors, some were members. At this point, we don't know if they are accompanied by others, but our focus will remain only on the members. During their visit, they participated in several activities and recreational experiences. Our task is to determine which activity they found most enjoyable. Now, let's turn to the options and analyze them one by one. Make sure you fully understand each choice. Pay attention to the verb tenses and how the activities are described. The question mentions 3 possible experiences: a theme park, a river trip, and a cheese factory. Now, let's connect each with our earlier statement. In Malat, members enjoyed theme park, river trip, cheese factory. Break the statement and options into smaller parts so they are easier to retain. During the audio, the speaker may mention other places, similar activities, or even the same options in a different context. But don't worry, it doesn't matter. Stay calm and focused. Your mind is already trained to handle this. Follow this same process for the rest of the questions. Before the audio starts, take a quick glance at the statements one last time. This helps you stay on track. And if you ever lose focus, you can quickly regain it and follow the flow again. You need to master these strategies and apply them effectively within the given time during the test. That's why consistent practice is essential. To gain even more effective techniques for tackling IELTS listening questions, subscribe to the channel and stay connected with IELTS Symphony.